Lift up. Bat up high. Tell me where that ball hits the bat. Very good.
15.
It's going faster than that, Sean. You're just picking up parts of it. Okay, ready?
There you go.
That's a good hit. Probably a foul ball. Wait on it a little bit, okay? You're hitting everything out in front of you. Try to hit it right where I was soft tossing you, okay? So wait a little bit longer. Get that bat up higher. Hold it still. Turn those hips. Wait a little bit longer. Better. Better.
Couldn't afford that.
Bat up higher. Cock those wrists.
Oh, I couldn't.
Bend those knees. Turn those hips. Come on.
Here it is.
Good job.
That was definitely more than 17 miles per hour. That's more than 23.
It's a bad pitch.
21 miles per hour pitch.
Good.
23.
Turn those hips.
The other
Really
one's
turn those
faster
hips.
than that. Instead 17.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Nice hit, Jack.
20.
Wow.
I only picked up part. That's gotta be like 33.
That wasn't a good hit. That's the best hit you had.
No,
Get that bat
it
up
says
high.
20.
Turn those hips.
I know.
Just like that again. Wait till it gets in that
That's
spot.
Something's wrong or something.
Whoa!
And I'm not picking up all the balls.
43
miles per hour.
That's probably my ass and wall.
It's all right. You pulled your head out.
That time I got the hole.
Very nice.
23, but it's gotta
Good
be
job,
more
Jack.
than that. Mine was crazy.
Turn those hips. Get that bat a little higher. Turn those hips. You're waiting. You're getting it out in front of you again,
33.
Jack.
Come
You're getting it out in
on.
front of you. I want you to wait till it gets in that hitting spot, right in front off your front foot.
That was so.
Bat higher.
Like
Good. Good hit. You stay
I'm
behind
only
it. Whoa!
Jeez.
I didn't get a trace on that. It was so fast.
Turn those hips hard like that. Wait till it gets in that spot. Keep putting them right in my face. And when it's low like that, Jack, you don't need to bend down. You just need to drop the barrel of your bat. Okay? You alright?
Yeah.
Got about 8 more. Rip them. Get that bat up. Cock those wrists a little bit. It's alright. That was a bad pitch. That was a good swing. Good hit.
35 miles per hour.
Those are singles, dude. Get that bat up higher. Turn those hips. When it's inside like that, just let it go, okay? Get that bat up higher. Cock those wrists. Nice hit. Bat up higher. Turn those hips. Okay. Turn those hips violently. Come on. Turn them violent. Let's go. Nice. Good hit.
39 miles per hour.
Get those bat up. See how you have it? There you go. Okay, that's a little inside. It's hard to hit. You made good contact. Last 2. Real hard hips. Left fielder would have had to go for that. You ready? One more. Turn those hips. Not bad, not bad.